Hi everyone, this is Wee. Thank you for following my YouTube videos. Alright, just for those who are actually just following my YouTube channel, alright, I have also a website which I blog, and typically I will include this YouTube video inside with more details other than just a video. So you can actually look for the address in the video information. Okay, today here I'm going to present to you VMware Horizon Mirage 4.2, which was released just 2 days ago. Okay, so here there are a few things that has been changed. I would say added. Okay, not really changed. All right. So first, I will just go to the MMC, the Management MMC console. This doesn't actually change much. It still remains the same. But however, this will eventually be replaced. So in this release 4.2, we have the Horizon Mirage Web dashboard. Typically now is targeted for the help desk administrator, alright, and it will eventually add in more features to actually remove the MMC. Next, we also saw a new admin file portal. So why is this so different from the user file portal? So with the admin file portal, you'll be able to log in and search for the desktop of the user, alright, and actually retrieve their files or browse their files if you want to. And of course, we still have the normal user file portal. Okay, so I'll go through each and every one of them to have a good view of each of the different components or portal, so to speak. So here I actually will log in using my normal credential to access the help desk file portal, web portal, sorry. So here you can actually search by device, which is the desktop name, which I have it called SG-XP01, which you can see here. And I also have my user called demo1 using XP01. So doesn't matter which one I click, alright, it will still show it to me. So what is this dashboard trying to do here? It's actually meant for more of the help desk. So you could actually see what is the last activities. Yeah, here are actually just all shown here. You could actually suspend the machine if you want to. Alright, I mean that suspend the network operations. You could also force and synchronize here. Alright, you could collect logs. So I'm just going to show you, and then you can place it somewhere on the file server or any UNC path. Alright, you can perform a restore if you actually did a full backup using a base layer, or do a migrations to Windows 7 migration. Right, you could actually do a restore on that portion. So what else is available? You could do a revert to snapshot, so the last snapshot that was done, or you could actually add a note to this device. Alright, you can also enforce layers if you actually have layer provisioning. So in this case, I do not have that. What other things that we can have here? Okay, you could see the steady state transactions. Alright, so what has been done? You could also perform snapshots if you, so to speak, want to. And we can also look at events. Alright, so you can actually include all these events, what kind of events to be included in this event logs. Okay, so you could also add in things like audit events, tasks, and as well as download transactions. So you could see my download transactions is actually here. So if let's say I were to uncheck this, it will actually be removed. Okay, and of course we have the refreshed. So you could actually view this as rows of events, or you could even look at it as a timeline. So I do not have a lot of detailed timelines or long lifespan because I just actually started backing up this device. So you could see download transaction was done, how much was been sent, at what time, specific date and time, when did I start centralizing this device, and you could actually see more information if you so to speak want to. Okay, so let's say if I were to click on view all, I will be able to see more details, right? How much data was changed and transferred. Alright, moving on to next, you can see snapshot has been done. Alright, and next, okay, and download transactions. So these are the few information. So if you have multiple devices, you could see everything in a point in time. Okay, and here if you click on this, you see the device properties, and this is also my first time exploring this portal. So you could see quite a lot of details that what if you're using the management MMC console, you could see the Active Directory that is actually joined to the program files, meaning that the add and remove programs in Windows 7 or Vista, with this add and remove program in Windows XP, and program features in Vista and Windows 8. Application layer that's applied, any services that's running in this machine. Alright, you can actually see it here, and installed drivers if there is, you could also, if you have applied them, and of course driver library if you have actually applied to them. File portal, so these are the file portals, alright, of the users that have accessed. Alright, so you can actually see all those things. And of course now, because I'm comparing only just this machine, you could actually add more for this. Okay, and we can of course remove this by just crossing it out. Alright, we can also minimize to have more space. Okay, and pressing the add button will allow you to add more devices, alright, in terms of searching it. So this is just one of them. Alright, so let's go to the admin file portal. So in this case, I have to be the admin to access this. And here straight away I'm given a search user. So if I were to search for one of my user, and I'll be able to look on this machine. So you get a CVD disk. And browsing the machine, I could see what are the documents that actually been backed up, and these are all actually been accessible. So, and other archive, if you so to speak want to say, so you can actually see the point in time uploaded. It's been done at different time interval. Okay, and we could take the latest and see what's actually been changed. Okay, so what if you go to the user one? So I'm just going to log into the user. So we've logged into the user will be able to browse whatever has been backed up. So my upload policy, this will be based on your upload policy, right? So actually upload policies, I only have desktop, favorites, document, music and pictures being backed up, so you only see all this. And of course the user can also refer to their archived, alright, of the different files that has been backed up. So in terms of desktops, I have 1, 2, 3, alright, and if I were to move to the earlier timestamp, okay, I only have 2 and 3 because I created test 1 document later on. So these are the few things that you could see. Alright, if I were to move back to the MMC, of course we will still see the normal wizards, alright, the task monitors, alright, and of course I just want to point to you as well, in case those who are not aware, your file portal can URL can actually be changed. So the default is always using the hostname plus explorer, so this can be changed, so do not take this for granted. Alright, double check that there's no change, alright, when you set this up. Okay, so as you can see from the MMC, you can also browse the device information, like what we did just now in the help desk dashboard. Alright, so example, I were to go to the properties. Alright, I could also see the Active Directory, the general program files. You could see the application layer, the file portal, alright, and driver library, installed drivers and stuff. So this actually now can be seen in the help desk dashboard. Okay, and just to also let you know, to use the help desk dashboard, which is this, it needs to be at least IE 9, 10, Firefox or Chrome. So currently I only have IE 8, so you could see that it will actually state that your file browser is not supported. Alright, and you can see that I'm actually running IE 8. Okay, so this is just a simple walkthrough of Horizon Mirage 4.2. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.